Hello, this is the first guide of iRay DW10, a mini multifunctional wireless microphone for short videos, live stream entertainment. The DW10 has black, white, purple, and pink 4 colors version. Unbox and there's a carry case included with the charging case, the instruction bag, and the accessories of microphone. In the charging case, you will have 2 transmitters and 1 receiver. The accessories includes a 3.5mm TRRS to TRRS audio cable for connecting smartphone or camera, a USB-C to USB-C, or a 2-in-1 charging and audio cable for connecting smartphone or computer, and 2 wind muff. This is the transmitter with internal mic on the top. Look at the front and there are 3 dry, active noise cancellation, and reverb mode indicator lights. One of them lights up in corresponding mode. This is the pair and charging indicator light. Blue light keeps on after pairing. Red light keeps on while muting. Blue light flashes before pairing. Red light keeps on during charging. And blue light keeps on after fully charging. On the side above, the power, mute, and pair button, long press for on and off, and short press for muting switch. Below that is the sound mode and pair button. Short press to switch dry, active noise cancellation, or reverb modes. To enter the pairing state, please long press the 2 pair buttons synchronously. At the bottom, the USB-C monitoring and charging interface for connecting headphones or a power bank, and DC power. This is the receiver. Look at the front. A and B channel indicator light keeps on after pairing and flashes before pairing. Blue light keeps on in mono mode, and green light keeps on in stereo mode. The Bluetooth and charging indicator light flashes before pairing and keeps on after pairing. Turn off the Bluetooth and the indicator light is off. While pairing, it flashes in blue and red. Red light flashes in low power state. Charging and power on status, the light is off. Charging and power off status, red light keeps on. Blue light keeps on after fully charging. This is the output gain adjustment knob to adjust the gain level of output audio. On the side above, it is USB-C charging and digital output interface to connect the power bank, DC power, or smartphone, computer, and tablet for audio output. This is the power, mode switch, and pair button. Short press to switch mono or stereo mode, and long press for on or off. Below that is the Bluetooth switch and pair button. Long press to switch on or off. To enter the pairing state, please long press the 2 pair buttons synchronously. On the back, there are the back clip and charging pad. Please keep the metallic contacts clean. In the charging case, each battery slot has 3 metallic contacts used to charge the transmitters and the receiver. Each charging indicator light goes with its battery slot. Red light keeps on during charging and blue light keeps on after fully charging. These are power indicator lights, each representing 25% of the charging case's power. Turn it around. You'll see a USB-C charging interface for charging. Above it is the reset hole. If the device cannot be charged, insert a pin into the reset hole to reset it. The DW10 has been paired by default, so you can use it as long as you get it. If you need to repair, please long press the 2 pair buttons of the receiver synchronously to make it flash in the pairing state. Then long press the 2 pair buttons of the transmitter to make it flash in the pairing state. Now they will pair automatically, and the pair indicator lights of the transmitter will keep blue after pairing. The DW10 support 2-way interaction and monitoring. You can plug your headphones into the transmitter to monitor the sound from microphone and the audio or background music from your phone or computer. When you connect the receiver to your smartphone, computer, or camera, you need to use different cables for the different interfaces. The USB-C to USB-C or a 2-in-1 audio cable is available to connect devices with USB interface, such as Android phones and tablets, iPhone 15 series, and new iPads. Choose between the USB-A or USB-C interface when connecting to a computer based on the interface of the device. When you connect the receiver to devices with Lightning interface like iPhone 14 series or old iPads, you can choose USB to Lightning cable or 3.5mm TRRS to Lightning cable with OTG. When you connect the receiver to devices with 3.5mm interface, the 3.5mm TRRS to TRRS audio cable is available on your smartphone, tablet, or laptop. In this case, only mono mode is supported. The receiver needs to be connected to your desktop computer via 3.5mm microphone interface. The same goes for camera. However, some cameras and capture cards do not support TRRS terminals, and you need to purchase a 3.5mm TRS audio cable. If you want to charge your phone while using it, you can purchase 7 RYMS 2-in-1 charging and audio input cable with USB-C or Lightning interface. Plug the end of your phone icon into your phone. Then plug the end with the OTG icon into the receiver. Plug the end with the charging icon into the power bank. After using it, put the mic in the charging case and get charged. The charging case gets charged via the USB-C interface. While charging, 4 indicator lights will light up in turn. After fully charging, all of them will keep on. The charging case also makes it easier to carry your microphone and accessories. Thanks for watching.